So you want to remove the background of your video, so just follow the steps given in this video. By the end of this video you will know how to remove the background of any video with or without green screen. So let's just hop right in. Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell button right next to it so that you may receive all the notifications when I upload a video in the future. First, go to the Capcut app, then add a video to the timeline, then you can select the video. Then on the right you can click on the cutout section. Just down below you will see an option called auto cutout. Just click on that and some processing will happen. Now remember, the second method will require you to have a green screen. First, go to the Capcut app. So now you have to add both the videos onto the timeline, so you have to add a green screen on top of the video you want to apply the green screen on. Then select the green screen video, then go to cutout section on the right, then select chroma key, then select the dropper icon, then click on the green screen. After that you have to increase the strength of the chroma key. There you go. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and share for more videos like this, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This is me signing off.